Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here with another pre-market prep video. Just checking on my firm right quick. This is one of my longer term swings. You know, kind of dipping a little bit, might add. Anyway, let's look at what's showing up on the PM scanner. Let's see, CRDF. Okay. Is there news out? Denied usage. Why did that go up then? Data from its cancer drug, robust objective response rate, and okay, so positive cancer news. I don't know. I don't think anything on the scans are cutting it for me today. SNGX high of $1.36, now at $1.21. What's the daily look like? Ooh, okay, so 35 was this resistance point, which is pretty much where we topped out. So back over 35 gets us 163, and 202 is kind of your next stop. For that, ENVB, okay, I like this one. I like this chart a little bit better, I think. Even though it's not up as much, let's get these studies out of here. It's like solidly uptrending more. Had a nice little pause, red day, but over pre-market highs. And then let's see. So it's the break over 350. Watch out for 368. Watch out for, I guess 519 is the next stop. So that's going to be exciting. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. So breakouts over 350. Looks like we're kind of popping out of this consolidation zone. Something to keep in mind. I like it though. I like it. Okay. Let's see. Another one. It's not showing up high on the scanner, but I was playing GSAT yesterday. This was amazing. And this ended up doing a secondary push into the afternoon. Yeah, I didn't play this one good enough at all. But this over 3 brings us to, yeah, look at that. That is a good chart. That is a great chart. Over 3, let's go to max. We got resistance. So we'll watch out for 350, and then we'll watch out for 450. And then if we get past 450, then it's about $6, we'll call it. So this has room. I like GSAT a lot. That's going to be top. GSAT is top. BBIG still not dead. Having a little green day here, consolidating nicely. Maybe this. Okay, so ideally this kind of just chills today, and then super squeeze tomorrow. That would be the most ideal situation. Now, I'm watching it. It is gapping up pre-market. It is green. So, yeah, it is green. So it's gonna be on watch. Dip and rip. If we retest the 960s, I'm looking for a long. Looking for 1150s. I'm not looking for a breakout over the range. I'm just looking to play the range maybe. But the breakout could happen, We want it to be on Fridays. Friday's more potent, for the short squeeze, but it doesn't have to happen. It can happen today. GSAT, BBIG, top listed watches. SPRT had a nice first green day spike yesterday too, even spiking an additional, I think, 20-ish% into the after hours here, closing in the 20s, but getting as high as 25. So I'm now hanging here at 24.40. That's pretty freaking great. 24.40 is right around here. Man, that's still nothing compared to where we're coming from. I mean, this is $58, $60 here. Pro tip: log scale is the way to look at charts, in my opinion. I'm going to turn it off of log scale and we'll see what happens. Bam, look at that. Now this looks crazier, but log scale just keeps everything in perspective, so that like 9 to 18 is 100%. Like this is 100% move, same as like 2 to 4. Like 2 to 4 is going to occupy the same space as 9 to 16. That's logarithmic. So that keeps it easier to see like gains in terms of percentages. Anyway, so yeah, over the trend break, over 25. Yeah, over 25. We'll see if this is going to pull like an actual continuation green day. I mean, 30. We could see 30. We could see 36. I mean, who knows? So SPRT, big, BBIG, GSAT. I'm going to leave you with, as we hit to the 5-6 minute mark on this video, OTCs that I got my eye on. LUSI still hanging around by the highs, looking for maybe a dip to 72 to play off of. MTRT kind of rolling over. I'm not really sure what's going to happen here, but still worth keeping an eye on. There is a level at 303 to risk off of if you're looking for a long, but at this point it's a little, it's definitely extended, so I'm not really sure. CYAP is just kind of, I don't know, slow fade. I don't know that I'm interested. I'm uninterested. AAPT still also kind of hanging around, but it's not looking good. New ones, MGuy, 50% off the highs here, right at this support zone. So I mean, we might get a good panic on MGuy. I'm definitely interested in that one. Because if we get a panic there, maybe we have the zone at 18 cents, but otherwise, I mean, this is no man's land below 18. CLNV started to bounce off of this line, so maybe there's some continuation. FRTN closed at 17 after hitting a high of 54. Let's go to FRTN. Daily chart, weekly chart, daily chart. Yuck. Okay, I want to see this get back up to 23 for me to like really be interested in playing it like that. Back to 23, we're good. Let's look at FFZY. Has some nice range. Nice. Okay. But this curled over. See this? Okay, so we're gonna watch to see how this reacts this morning. There's what happens? If there's a panic today, where are the buyers gonna step in? I have no idea. PSSS 44 closing at 27. A weird chart. Good volume though. Breakouts over 51, 61. I don't think any of these like from yesterday really closed in a great spot. Maybe 21 is a spot where you'll get some dip buyers coming in. UMAV. Okay. Man, pushed right up against this level here. 34 maybe this could run to if it gets going again. This probably looks like it held up the best into the close. Okay, I'll look at UMAV for that push over the highs. AAGC. I don't like it when they close under VWAP though. Let's look at the daily here. I'll draw a trend line. We did get a break of the trend, and we're still above the trend break. Slash, this is a good area to risk off of. I'll add a level here that's more closely tied to the price action. Bam. Maybe a dip off of 003. It's a sub penny though. I don't really like sub pennies. Boo. Anyway, those are the OTCs worth watching right now. Probably tops are Lucy, MTRT, MGuy, UMAV. Probably the top OTC watches. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you found value out of this, please hit the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing and let me know in the comments below what other type of content you want to see from this channel. Or if you had a good trade and you want to share, we can celebrate together. Otherwise, I will be back later this morning with a trade recap and potentially in the afternoon if there's any plays that show up. But pretty happy with how things have been going the past couple days, sticking with my risk management system. Just got to keep it up. Aubrey, out.